Hi, this is the Alpena makeover kit for 16-inch wheels. Other folks will call them hubcaps. So that's important. Keep these red clips. Inside you'll find your wheels all wrapped. There's your wheel covers and nothing left in the box. You'll see here there's your rings, and sometimes these clips will be inside the plastic wrap instead of inside the packaging. So here's your wheels out of the package. There's your 4 clips and also your 4 rings that go inside the wheel covers. So here's your wheel. Here's your, here's the gap for your valve, so you can still fill your tires. Here's your wire. You're gonna see there's a gap here on the wire. That's gotta line up with your valve. Gap that's on your wheel cover. Here's your clip, showing you the 3 different gap sizes on it by those lines. So just make sure you put your wires in the same place. I'm gonna put it on the loosest, just because I'm gonna try it there first, and if that works out fine, I'm good to go. And if I need to change it, I can just take this off and put on the bigger gap. That's it. That's as easy as it gets. There's your holes. So just line it up and clip it in. That's it. There's 2 levels. I chose the top one. But if you see down here, there's 2 places you could clip in, the top or the bottom. I find the top is tighter. Okay, again, installation is really easy. You just make sure that your wire and your valve stem gap match up when you install it to your valve stem right there. Pop them on. That's it. And then this is not coming off. And then your winter tire looks a lot better with the covers.